Hi YouTube. I'm going to do a song by a group called Routine. It's called Cady Road. The verse of the first and second verse are D. Well, let me do a little demo and then I'll show you how to play it. Every day this week, I ask myself the same things, and that's okay. So at the end of the verse, it breaks out of that D, E minor, G, and so the second time around, we're saying that's okay. It ends on G, goes to A, relax, and that's the vocal when it goes to A. A to G. To the verse again. Sticking the fire, stoking the fire of the past. The present melts away. Okay, and it goes into that second, the same format of the first verse. Okay, so the second time through the verse, we go into that A to G section, and that's okay. That's okay. Instead of going to back to another verse, it does a new section. Just give it. Just give it time. How the song ends. It also plays that down here. At the very last time, instead of going to the D to end the song, it goes to a F sharp minor. A nice ending, right? But everything before that is just the E minor, G, B minor, D. And that repeats maybe like 6 or 7 times, and then the final time it goes E minor, G, so that's pretty much it for the chords. There are some kind of like lead instruments playing in the background, like a banjo and a violin. That banjo's playing this. This is right out of the B minor pentatonic because it's playing the D major with using the relative minor. It's also what the melody's coming out of. So if you want to play some of those lead lines, you can play either the D minor pentatonic or the D major. But I just say B minor pentatonic because most guitarists already know that. So if you're just playing the relative minor. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe. It helps me with YouTube. Bye-bye.